Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a vlog with the friends. You know, we are naked fishermen. Today we have a new face, Cara, one of my closest friends. And over here in the back, I don't know if you can see her, we have a little grumpy gremlin. I'm guessing she's hungry, we don't really know. But yes guys, so you'll be joining our vlog today, having fun, drinking, whatever. So we'll be right back. Drinking needs to get you. 1, 2, 3, go! Did she survive?
Yes, she did. Okay, how did she come?
You swimming all the way? Or are you coming out through over there? She dying! Hi vlog. Welcome back to German channel.
And let's see in the water.
Because so how has it been? Yeah. You still grumpy? You know earlier on she was a little grumpy. Mr. Aaliyah Alfridge, how have you been enjoying your day so far? You know, you can tell us a little bit about how you almost drowned over there. What went wrong?
I didn't drown. A piece of seaweed attacked my leg and I thought it was a fish, so I started
A piece of seaweed, guys, attacked. So I thought the child was dying out here. As you can see, like earlier I had to stop the vlog a little early because I thought I had a death on my hands.
I don't like seaweed, y'all, and we're surrounded by seaweed right now.
Yes, I don't know if you can see it. Probably not over here, like probably more over there. Yeah. So you want anything else you want to tell us?
Well, I'm having fun. I like the beach. You know, if you don't have a beach where you are, you need to come to St. Lucia and experience the beach. Where are we right now? I forgot the name of the beach.
Basically it's Xoxo Beach, the naked fisherman. You know.
You need to come here. The water is nice and
Basically
clean.
the restaurants over here. It's called the Naked Fisherman, but basically a lot of people have different names for this beach. Smuggler's Cove, Xoxo Beach, the Naked Fisherman, so I don't really know the specific name. What happened? How was your day?
Oh, it was great.
You enjoying it so far?
Yes.
Anything, you know, that happened during this day that you want to tell us about?
Let me tell you, Ali almost drowned on my account. Let me tell you. If Ali had drowned, insert the clip where Ali drowned.
Yes. We shall play it again, like right now.
I tell Annalisa, if you see Alia jump, just turn the other way, because I don't want to see Alia go and jump in the pit. Then to me later, she said, "Hey, you know, I feel something pulling me down." Alia was pulling you down.
You cannot see with dangerous. Look at this one.
The only downside is the seaweed is disgusting.
Yeah, like there's a lot of seaweed, like
touching.
right here we have some seaweed, like I'm not a seaweed person, but you know I love the beach, so whatever. So now on to Miss.
Oh, another downside, we see in the corner there, there's some greening. I don't know if you'll see them.
I don't know if y'all can see them. You know, up over
Like,
here.
that's not over deep. We come to a private beach and the just
You know, let me see if I can. How was your day, Annalisa?
It was good. It was good. I almost witnessed many deaths.
You know, any downsides, anything that you want to highlight?
Pictures amazing.
Yes.
So stay tuned. You know, drinks, A1.
They drunk, don't mind them.
We are not drunk, guys.
We're not drunk. No.
We are perfectly
Our
fine.
job is just smiling at the camera for no reason. She drunk.
But I have to smile. So it's Deja Mode Wilson.
The good old government.
How was your day today?
My day, it was,
Yeah. Guys, it was. I don't know what kind of statement that is. I don't know what, adjective she wants to say. I'm really not sure.
it was great. It was great. Okay, I loved taking the pictures and ordering the drinks and getting in the water and exfoliating myself with seaweed.
So guys, PS, if you ever want to, exfoliate yourself with seaweed, just come here, just pass in the water and you'll be exfoliated as Deja said.
And I also tried a sea grape for the first time.
Yes, guys, yes. Anything that you want to talk about that, impacted your day today? Anything bad or anything good, it doesn't matter.
Aaliyah impacted my day today.
So guys, as you can see, a lot of people have been talking about Aaliyah's almost drowning.
I didn't drown.
So probably it was very serious. But like for real, I thought the girl was drowning.
I wasn't drowning.
And she wasn't. It was just because of, according to her, seaweed. But yeah.
I can't swim. I see
Morning, guys. So if you can't tell, it is the next morning, and I was so drained last night that I did not have enough energy to do an outro. So I just decided when I wake up I will do it, because the only energy I had last night was to go shower, get ready for bed, and I fell asleep immediately. But yeah, yesterday was really good, really fun. As you can tell, anytime I go out with my friends, I always have fun. I always have the time of my life. And yeah, this video will be, maybe the vlog might be a bit short, maybe, I'll have to see. But I tried to get the best clips that I could. A lot was happening, things were all over the place, we were all over the place. So sometimes I didn't have the camera with me, or sometimes the camera was off, and when the thing happened I couldn't catch it on camera in time. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, comment down below, and put on your post notifications if you haven't already. And guys, I will see you on the flip side. Bye.